up to £60 VELUX rewards for the months of April and May on maintenance-free VELUX roof windows. We know them as GGUs. So make sure when you come to JJ Roofing Supplies and you buy your VELUX GGU maintenance-free windows, you upload your invoice to VELUX Rewards, and if you haven't signed up, sign up quickly, because you can get up to £60 cash rewards to spend at places like John Lewis, lastminute.com, Tesco's, Marks and Spencer's, just to name a few of the big names. So make sure you get your VELUX maintenance-free windows from JJ Roof Supplies during April and May. Upload your invoices and get up to £60 rewards on VELUX Rewards, because at JJ Roofing Supplies, if it's on the roof, we stock it.